Hi friends, this is Latha and welcome to my channel Latha Study Corner. Today I am going to bring a new playlist and that is based on power and roots. So friends, power and roots are very important topic in the mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about squaring and cubing of a number. So let's start the topic. Square of a number. Square of a number means multiplying a number 2 times. If a number be multiplied by itself, okay, if a number multiplied by itself, the product obtained is called square of the number. Okay, example, square of a, square of a. So a is a number, its square you have to find. So what you must do, multiply a 2 times, a into a, that is a square. When we square a number, we give the power 2. When we square a number, we give the power 2, means multiplying same number 2 times. Okay, so square of 4, 4 into 4, that is 4 square, 16. Square of minus 5, that is minus 5 whole square, that is minus 5 into minus 5 plus 25. Whether the number is positive or negative, its square is always positive. Very important thing you must remember. If a number is positive or negative, not problem. If any number is positive or negative, its square but always positive. Minus 5 square, minus 5 into minus 5 plus 25. Plus 5 whole square, plus 5 into plus 5 also plus 25. So you can see friend, minus 5 square also plus 25 only and plus 5 square also plus 25 only. So if a number is positive or negative, but its square is always positive. Square of any number is always positive. Okay. Square of 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a fraction. So its square. So 2 by 3 whole square. Here you have to remember friends, whenever we square a fraction, you must take whole. You must keep that fraction under the bracket because fraction contains numerator and denominator both. So whenever you square a fraction, you must square numerator and denominator both. So you can write like this, separating numerator square by denominator square, 2 square by 3 square, or you can take the help of bracket 2 by 3 whole square. So it's 4 by 9, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Here you can see one more example, 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Convert this into the fraction. So you see 2 1 by 2, a improper fraction, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 square. 5 by 2 into 5 by 2, 25 by 4. So 6 1 by 4. One more, minus 1 2 by 3. Minus 1 2 by 3, how much? 1 3 ja 3 plus 2. Minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3 whole square. Minus 5 by 3 into minus 5 by 3. It's plus 25. Minus into minus plus 25 by 9. Okay, 27 by 9. Okay friends, this is about square of a number. Now we will go for cube of a number. Here friends, I already written and then explaining. The reason is what? If we will do like this, we can complete in a short time, but if we will write on the spot, it takes more time. That's why I already completed writing and explaining you. Next we will go for cube of a number. Cube of a number means whenever we multiplied a same number 3 times by itself. Okay, if a number be multiplied by itself 3 times, the product obtained is called cube of the numbers. Means power is 3. You know already, base is multiplied how many times? Power times. Okay, so here power is 3, so base is multiplied 3 times. So a cube means a into a into a. Cube of a means a cube. A into a into a. Cube of 3, 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Cube of minus 4, minus 4 whole cube. So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, minus 64. Remember friends, whether the number is negative or fraction, you must keep it inside the bracket. That is the better thing must do. Okay, a fraction or a negative number always must keep under the bracket. So squaring means multiplying 2 times and cubing means multiplying 3 times. Very simple way to understand. Cube of 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is a fraction. So its cube means its whole power 3. 3 by 5 whole power 3. So 3 by 5 is under bracket. 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. That is 27 by 125. Cube of 1 by 3. 1 by 3, a mixed fraction. Convert it, it's 1 3 ja 3 plus 1. 4 by 3. So cube of 4 by 3. 4 by 3 whole cube. Cube means multiplying 3 times. 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. That is 64 by 27. That is 210 by 27. Okay friends, understood well? So today in today's class what we discussed? Squaring and cubing. Square of a number, how to find? By multiplying the number 2 times and cubing a number, multiplying the number 3 times. I hope you understood well. So friends, this is for today. I hope you understood well, and still if you have any doubt, please post your doubt so that I can solve your doubt, and please give me the comments whether you like it or not, or give me the suggestion so that I can improve my channel, and subscribe my channel. Press the bell button to get all the new notification, and also like and share with your friends. Thank you.